In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Claude Code to Supabase. By the end, you'll have Claude connected to your Supabase account so you can streamline tasks like browsing project data or working with your database right from Claude's interface. Before we start, make sure you're signed into both your Claude account and your Supabase account in the same browser, and that you have permission to access the Supabase projects you want to use. Begin by opening Claude in your browser. From the main Claude screen, look for the Customize option. It's typically near the top of the interface or in the sidebar, and it opens the area where you can tailor Claude's behavior and connect third-party tools. Inside Customize, find the section labeled Connect Your Apps. This is Claude's integrations directory where you can browse or search for apps that work with Claude. Use the search bar and type Supabase. Spelling matters here, so enter it exactly to surface the official integration quickly. When you see Supabase in the results, select it to open its details page. You'll see a brief description and a connect button. Click Connect to start the authorization flow. Your browser will redirect you to Supabase to confirm that you want Claude to access your account. Review the permissions shown. If you work in multiple organizations or projects, make sure the correct context is selected before you proceed. When you're ready, choose Authorize to grant access. After authorizing, you'll be sent back to Claude, and you should see a confirmation indicating that Supabase is connected. If the page doesn't update right away, give it a moment or refresh the customized screen. A quick note on security. This connection uses OAuth, meaning you can revoke access at any time from your Supabase dashboard or from Claude's connected apps list. Avoid sharing any keys or credentials in chat. The integration handles authentication for you. If something doesn't connect on the first try, double check that you're logged into the right Supabase account, confirm you have the necessary permissions for the project, and make sure your browser isn't blocking pop-ups or third-party cookies during the redirect. That's it. Claude Code AI is now linked to Supabase. With the connection active, you can work more efficiently without juggling tabs. Thanks for watching, and if this was helpful, consider following along for more practical setup guides like this one.